Great branding ties everything your team creates together. But the more you create, the more your branding can start to slip. So what if you could start everything already on brand and move as fast as you need to without anything falling apart? That's where Canva AI's brand intelligence come in. You can share your branding and Canva AI makes sure everything you create is on point. A post, a deck, or a whole campaign. And it only gets smarter the more you use it. Here's how it works. Let's say we're hiring for some new roles and we need a quick post for social. Grab the brand kit we're using today in the link in the video description. Or, if you're here via design school, it's already part of your activity. On the homepage, I'll select Canva AI. Then I'll upload our brand kit to get Canva AI briefed up on our look and feel. Now I'll describe what I need. Create an engaging "We're hiring" Instagram post promoting these two open roles, Senior Art Director and Account Executive. And looks good, right? And like anything in Canva, this is completely yours to play with. Canva AI gives you the starting point and you shape it from there. See any changes you want to make? We can ask Canva AI to make things a little punchier, change the spacing between the different elements, or even swap the colours. And we've got a social post, totally on brand in a couple of minutes, just by giving Canva AI a visual reference and talking through what we needed. Now, let's take it up a notch and see how this workflow scales way beyond a single post. Check this out. Here's a relatable situation. You've been handed a presentation. It needs to go out today, but it's not exactly on brand. As you look through, you can see the fonts are wrong, the colours are off. Normally this means going through it slide by slide and fixing it all manually, but with Canva AI, it can be a simple conversation. Let's fix this. I'll open Canva AI, attach our brand template and ask it to bring it all into line. And relief. You can see the brands running through the whole deck now. Everything matches and I didn't have to touch a single slide. Now you've seen how easy it is to get back on brand. But here's how you can use Canva AI to create on brand, right from the start. Say we need to add a slide for a competitor analysis. To make a chart, I'll upload a sheet with our customer growth stats and let Canva AI know what I need. Create a new slide after this titled Customer Growth and use this data to add the line chart. See how the chart is automatically styled to match the rest of the deck? Didn't have to format a thing. Or what if you need to add a slide with some research, like growth in our client's industry, latest trends, something that backs up what we're pitching. Instead of spending an hour researching and screenshotting someone else's chart, I'll ask Canva AI to find it and build the slide for me. I'll type my prompt into the sidebar. Then select the plus button and ask Canva AI to use web research. And it's pulled info from the web and built a slide that fits perfectly with the rest. Such a good time save. Now that Canva AI has done the setup, it's your turn. Everything here is yours to edit. You can reshuffle the order, sharpen the messaging, and spend your time making sure your story really lands. I'll move this slide up front. Tweak this headline and swap in a stronger image here. Done. That's a full pitch deck, rescued, leveled up and ready to go. Now, staying on brand means never going off brand in the first place, because every design starts with your look locked in. And the more you create with Canva AI, the more it learns your branding. so you'll never get caught out again. Give it a go, and we'll see you next time.